An embedded system is a combination of computer hardware and software designed for a specific function. Microprocessors can address megabytes of memory and can operate on 8-bit, 16-bit, and 32 bits of data. Microprocessor is not alone a complete digital computer. In order to make it complete computer, one should add memory devices. Even for small applications, the minimum size of memory and input output must be interfaced to CPU. This increases the hardware, in turn PCB size and cost of system also increases. In order to avoid these drawbacks, microcontrollers were developed. What is a microprocessor? A device that integrates a number of useful functions into single IC package. Some functions are ability to execute a stored set of instructions, then to carry out user defined tasks, ability to access external memory chips to read write data to and from memory, ability to interface with input output devices.